Hi guys! So today's video is on the area of a trapezoid, and there is actually a couple of different formulas to be able to figure out the area for a trapezoid. I'm going to show you a couple of ways and you can figure out for yourselves what is more comfortable for you. So the first thing I want to draw your attention to is that a trapezoid is actually two triangles put together. So what we can do is we know that the area of a triangle is area equals base times height divided by 2. So we're going to find the area of both triangles and then we're going to add them together and that will be the area of a trapezoid. So let's find the first triangle here. Okay, so area equals, the base is 5 right here. The height, again, running at a 90-degree angle up the objects, and that's a little messy arrow there, but it's actually 3 meters. Okay, so 3 times 5 divided by 2, area equals, 3 times 5 is 15, divided by 2, and that's 7.5, 7 5/10, and that's meters squared. Okay, now we're going to find the area of the other triangle. So we're kind of looking, we have to kind of look at it upside down. So now if we apply the same formula, area equals base times height divided by 2, area equals, the base, now 3 is going to be the base, because if you kind of look at it upside down. So 3 is the base times height. We'd have to measure the height again. And again, it's going to run at a 90-degree angle to the base. So this is the base, that's the height. And the height is going to be the same as the other height because they're both parallel and they're the same distance from the top line to the bottom line. But if you wanted to make sure, you could just measure it with a ruler again. You'll find that you'd get the same height. So that height is 3 and then divided by 2 equals 3 times 3 is 9, divided by 2 equals 4 5/10 meters squared. So now that we have these two triangles and the areas for the two triangles, now we have to add those together. And the answer is 12. Okay, so now if we look at the same trapezoid, I'm going to show you another formula. Another formula for a trapezoid is area equals side A. So the top straight side is side A plus side B, which is the bottom straight line, and they run parallel to each other. So side A plus side B times the height, and then you divide that by 2. So plugging those numbers in, side A we said was 3 meters plus side B 5 meters times the height, right? The height's right here, which is 3, and then you divide that by 2. Do the brackets first, right? Because that's part of bed mass. 3 plus 5 is 8 times 3 divided by 2. 8 times 3, 24, then you divide that by 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12 meters squared. So you'll find that you get the exact same area, and it really doesn't matter which formula that you use. So these are two possible formulas. There is a third one, but I'm not going to boggle your mind with that right now. So you can decide which one you find easier, and we'll explore it more tomorrow. See you tomorrow.